A landmark abortion case went before the Supreme Court today. During 2 hours, justices heard from Mississippi's Solicitor General, who argued the high court should consider overturning Roe v. Wade and uphold a state law that bans abortions 15 weeks after conception. Fox's Madeline Rivera is in Washington with more.
Protesters outside of the Supreme Court as justices heard arguments for roughly 2 hours over a Mississippi law that bans most abortions after 15 weeks. The case posing the biggest challenge to Roe v. Wade in decades.
Hands off our babies! Hold court!
Chief Justice John Roberts questioned why abandoning abortions after 15 weeks wouldn't give women enough time to terminate a pregnancy.
Why would 15 weeks be an inappropriate line?
Justice Brett Kavanaugh, meanwhile, listing several cases in which the court had overturned long-held precedents.
Doesn't the history of this court's practice with respect to those cases tell us that the right answer is actually to return to the position of neutrality and not stick with those precedents in the same way that all those other cases didn't?
Should Roe be overturned, abortion would probably become illegal in at least 20 states, according to the Guttmacher Institute. The court's liberal justices arguing such a decision could undermine the court's legitimacy.
Will this institution survive the stench that this creates in the public perception that the Constitution and its reading are just political acts? I don't see how it is possible.
The Supreme Court likely won't make a decision on the Mississippi case until June, which could be a hotly contested issue ahead of the midterm elections. At the Supreme Court, Madeline Rivera, Fox News.